how to activate Triangle Bank credit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Triangle Bank credit card. For that, you'll have to follow these few steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Once you have opened your web browser, on the address bar type the website name www.ctfs.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you enter this keyword, press the enter button to enter the official website of Triangle Bank credit card. Once you do so, you will reach to the official website of Canadian Tire Bank. Here you will find activate your card now option. If in case you didn't see this option, you can also go through this credit card option right here. Click on this option and from the drop down menu you will find activate your credit card option at the very end. Once you find this option, click on it and now you will be taken to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here you will be given two options. Whether you want to activate your card without logging into your account or you want to activate your account after signing into your account. You may choose any one of these options. Here I have selected activate without logging in. Now click on this continue button to proceed further. Again you will be presented with two options. Here if you know the PIN of your credit card, you can select the first one. If in case you don't know your PIN, you can select the second one. Now after selecting one of these options, again click on this continue button to proceed further. Now finally you will be taken to your credit card activation section. Here you will find 3 steps to activate your card. The step 1 says enter the credit card number in this box and enter the 3-digit security code on the second box. You can find it at the back side of your credit card. Once you do so, click on this continue button at the bottom and you will be taken to step 2 where you will have to verify your identity for security purpose, and once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN number which will be your transaction PIN number. So by following these steps, you can easily activate your Triangle Bank credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.